Hawaii's plants. Hawaii is famous for its beautiful beaches, lush forests, and active volcanoes. Many plant and animal species live only in Hawaii. Now, rare plants have less than 50 individuals left in the wild. Scientists are doing all they can to collect and study these plants before it's too late. Finding endangered plants is difficult. Some species live on mountains that are too steep to climb. Others are so rare that you might not see one for years. Recently, the ohia tree has been dying at a rapid rate.
We just discovered this fungal disease that is threatening our ohia tree in Hawaii. It's the most ecologically and culturally important tree in the Hawaiian Islands. And we're banking seeds in order to have that material in case that disease wipes out our native mesic and wet forests on Kauai, so we can have seeds to grow and then replant.
Seed banks help scientists store rare plants. They can use the seeds to replant the species in protected areas.
So these fenced units are safe havens for our rare and endangered plants because we get the animals that destroy them out. The next steps are just to create more of these protected fenced areas where we could put back our native plants. It is important to save plants because they keep us alive. They provide us with the fresh air that we breathe, the water that we drink, the food we eat, the medicines that you need when you're sick. They provide habitat for all the other animals on this planet, and there are many species out there that are still undiscovered and possibly have the cures for other sicknesses that we just don't know about yet.